If you're bloated, tired, and sick, and you're fighting the war with your PCOS and you're trying to lose weight, it's not only your microbiome that's off, it's sabotaging your weight loss with PCOS.
We noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Come subscribe. We give you 5 days a week of free weight loss advice. And I mean, come on. It's a pretty cool vibe over here. So I'd love it if you'd come join. We really appreciate all of your support. So please don't forget to subscribe.
Penelope and I have lost over 260 pounds combined.
And I reversed my PCOS naturally.
And we have addressed our weight loss and health from the inside out. And that means from your gut microbiome. Your gut microbiome is in your belly. It's your large intestine that we're talking about. It's an organ that's in your body. It's in your belly. And it can either make or break your health. It can make or break your weight loss. It can make or break your attitude. It makes and breaks whether you have loose skin or not. I mean, everything is riding on the health of your gut microbiome. And many of us are not aware of all the things that we're doing in our lives that are disrupting our gut microbiome because we are living in a toxic soup in our environment. Did you know that studies show that women who have PCOS have a completely different gut microbiome than women who aren't suffering from PCOS? Don't throw in the towel with your weight loss if you have PCOS. There is hope. And I know that when you go to your doctor and they give you that label, they also don't give you a solution because they don't have one. And it's not their fault. They just didn't learn yet about how the gut microbiome is playing such a critical role in reestablishing hormonal balance, which will completely eradicate your PCOS and make you fertile again and make your periods regular again and make you lose weight more easily again. I want to paint a picture for you to show you how your gut microbiome is impacting your PCOS. So when you have less gut diversity, then you have more leaky gut, which means the stuff in your large intestines, that's like the excrement, is leaking into your blood, and that's not where it's supposed to be. So what happens is that looks, your body says, oh no, this shouldn't be here. So then your body attacks all of those things, that thinks they're like diseases, pathogens. And then you have more inflammation. And then you have higher levels of cortisol. And when all of this happens, then you have more fat storage. So this is a setup for failure. And we want to help you to reverse that because we know it's possible. We've done it ourselves and we're helping our clients do it today. It's not just a theory, what I'm talking about here. It is exactly the reason why diets fail. You don't need to diet harder, you need to diet smarter. But we don't believe in diets anyway because they haven't worked for us. We believe that you need to build a lifestyle that you love and that you feel inspired to live. And we start with a gut healing because we've tried all of the expensive probiotics. They don't work. What you need is a strategy on how to get the right food in your kitchen and on your plate that tastes the way it should so that you can start the healing from the inside out. Now, it's not an overnight thing that happens, but over time, your gut will heal itself, and we teach you the strategy how.
If you would like to learn how and take tools for the rest of your life that are going to change your life and your health and your energy and your fat and your vitality, all of these things, definitely join us. Click the link in the description. We only accept ready and awesome women, so you got to be one of those if you even want to join.
Because at the end of the day, you're the one that's going to have to do the work. We're going to teach you and we're going to support you with real food, real talk, real people. Like, we're the real deal. But you have to be ready and you are going to align with your why and we are going to set you up for success. But we really want you to know that you are going to have to make the investment of your time, most importantly.
If you want to support us in our mission in making America beautiful, healthy, and fit again, then please join our Substack. We share recipes and behind the scenes of what Mom and I do every day when we're not filming on these cameras, which we love doing for you guys, but we can't do it if you guys, but we'd love to keep doing, but we need your support. So please don't forget to subscribe to our Substack if you haven't already. Follow us on Instagram, X, and TikTok, and comment down below your favorite part of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We will see you all the time.
Hey, we noticed that 79.2% of you are not subscribed, which means you're watching our videos, you like the content, but you haven't made the commitment. So we would love it if you would subscribe.